In front of me is HONOR X5c Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off easy mode. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then, the common mistake is going into accessibility features, but what you need to do is tap on System and Updates, and here click on Simple Mode right away. Now choose Enable at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, Easy Mode was successfully enabled. If you wanna disable it, go into Settings again and click on this button called Exit Simple Mode at the bottom in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!